Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a Lovable project on Vercel. First, open the Lovable website in your browser and make sure your project is already created and available in your dashboard. Now, from the left side, click on your project name to open it. Once the project loads, click on the Edit option from the top right corner so you can access all project files and settings. Next, click on the code icon at the top. This will display all the files inside your project. Select any file to review it. Then, click on the copy icon to copy the file content if you want to keep a backup or review the code. After that, click on the code icon again and select the GitHub icon from the top right corner. This step is important because Vercel connects directly with GitHub to deploy projects. Now, click on Connect GitHub. Then, select Connect Project to start linking your Lovable project with your GitHub account. Next, click on Add Organizations. Enter your GitHub username or email address and your password to sign in. Once logged in, go back and turn on the toggle next to your GitHub organization name so the project can sync properly with your repository. After connecting, your project will be updated to GitHub. Now open a new tab and go to the Vercel website, then sign in with your GitHub account. Once logged into Vercel, click on Add New Project and select the repository you just synced from Lovable. Then click Import. Vercel will automatically detect the project settings. Now click on Deploy. Wait a few moments while Vercel builds and deploys your project. Once the process is complete, you will get a live URL where your project is hosted. Finally, open the deployed link to check your website and make sure everything is working correctly. Your Lovable project is now live on Vercel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.